The green transition and digital transition, of course, go hand in hand. So we will not achieve our climate and environmental targets if we don't deploy digital technologies at the same time. We provide a lot of opportunities, and obviously in deploying a digital solution, the mobile industry plays an important role. It provides the connectivity which enables then industries, enterprises and even private citizens to use digital technologies to lower their carbon footprint.
European operators are really taking a lead on climate action compared to other regions around the world. We see that almost all of the big operators in Europe are committed to reducing their emissions in line with 1.5 degrees. We see many of them have signed up to the European Green Digital Coalition. This means setting a net zero target for the whole value chain of their emissions by 2040. So that's 10 years earlier than our industry ambition of being net zero by 2050. And we're also seeing many of the European operators setting 100% renewable electricity targets. Some of them have already achieved it, and some others are looking to do so by 2025 or 2030 at the latest.
Vodafone is committed in supporting Europe's ambitions in green and digital. We know that digital can be a catalyst of change in our cities via air quality monitoring or smart transportation, and in our villages when helping farmers in making more sustainable and productive decisions. That's why we took a commitment to support our customers in greening their operations, and we set up a target of reducing between now and 2030 350,000 CO2 emissions in our customer vertical sectors. In order to be successful on that front, we need to address our sector emissions. And in terms of objectives and standard settings, we are focusing very much on energy efficiency, on renewable energy and e-waste. We are committed to achieve our science-based emission reduction targets by 2030 and achieve net zero by 2040.
First of all, as Liberty Global, we were the first cable operator to set science-based targets. And also last year we announced our net zero targets for scopes 1 and 3, planning to announce the ones for scope 3 later this year. So we're taking our responsibility to transition to a green environment for our own operations. But also in addition to that, our networks, our gigabit connectivity and 5G networks facilitate real-time data analysis, which in turn helps resource efficiency in other sectors and thereby reducing greenhouse gas emissions. So in this sense, technology is really part of the solution. That's where we see we can make a difference.